Can you actually make Blender's famous donut completely on a phone? Not remote desktop, not streaming, actually creating it on a phone. Well, we are going to find out.
Because today Minder is finally available. Blender is probably the greatest 3D software ever made. I have been using it for years and we all love it.
It gives artists an unbelievable amount of power, completely free.
But a free software doesn't mean everyone has a free access to 3D. There are creative people around the world who can make great things, but simply they don't have access to a capable computer.
But most of them already have something incredibly powerful in their pockets, a phone.
So I start with one question. What if your phone itself was enough to make 3D art?
Not by shrinking desktop software, but by designing the 3D experience around the phone from the beginning.
But there is obviously one big question right now. This week, Blender itself announced their Android version. And honestly, that's amazing. So does Blender still need to be exist? I think it does, because we are starting from two different places. Blender is bringing the incredible 3D powerful ecosystem into Android. Minder start with phone and ask, what does 3D needs to feel like here?
Touch-friendly controls, simpler workflow, and interface design for your fingers. And importantly, I want Minder to remain accessible on much more modest hardware. Minder's minimum targets start from 2GB RAM with 4GB more recommended.
Because I don't want 3D creation to be something with only people who has expensive hardware can afford. I want more people to be able to start. But accessibility means nothing if the app can't actually make something good. Let's try it.
I will start with a torus, change the shape, then use edit mode to make it feel less like perfect. Give it some thickness, and that's our base. Next, I would separate the top for the icing, shape it over the donut, smooth everything out, and finally give it some color. But there is one thing missing: sparkles. Minder doesn't have a complete particle system, so instead it has something much simpler, the sparkles modifier. Pick an object, choose the surface, and scatter. A little lighting, find the angle, and there it is, Blender's famous donut made completely on a phone. But this isn't actually the part I am most excited about. This is, Minder was designed to scale down to the devices with around 2GB RAM. This is why I built it. And Minder isn't only for donuts. You can model, sculpt using touch, pen directly on your models, automatically unwrap them, light your scene, and bring your own models in. But hardware isn't the only thing stopping people from learning 3D. 3D itself can be confusing, so Minder has interactive tutorials built into the app. Instead of watching with someone else's clicks, Minder can show you exactly what to do while you are creating.
Blender is one of the reasons why I am 3D artist today. I just want more people to have a place in making their own 3D journey, and starting today they can. Minder3D is available now on Android. Download it, try make something, and most importantly, tell me what makes 3D difficult for you, because that's what I want to solve next.